My love, when winter arrives, something in a woman's soul shifts. The world gets quieter, the days get shorter, and suddenly, home becomes the place where your femininity has room to breathe again. And maybe, just maybe, you've been craving softness, a little bit of beauty, a return to elegance, not for Instagram, not for anyone else, but for you. Because winter isn't just a season, it's a sanctuary, a moment where the most elegant women in the world begin their glow up quietly, at home. Welcome back, my beautiful sister. I'm Elisa, and today I'm giving you something women keep asking for every single day, a vanilla aesthetic winter edition of the video that transformed my entire channel. Elegant at home. Make every day special. But tonight I'm taking you deeper, into routines that feel like warm silk, into habits that soften your nervous system, into visuals and rituals that make your everyday winter life feel expensive, feminine, peaceful, and deeply romantic. If you're new here, my love, subscribe, download your Return to Elegance ebook, and join the Masterclass waitlist. We are almost there, December 13th. This winter, you deserve to feel beautiful again, even if life is messy, even if you feel tired, even if your home is small, busy, loud, or imperfect. This is not a video about perfection. This is a video about the world you create inside your four walls and how that world shapes the woman you become in 2026. So make your tea, light your candle, wrap your blanket around your shoulders. Part 1, Why Elegant Winter at Home Matters. My love. Before we step into the rituals and the outfits and the soft winter luxuries, I want to speak to the woman you are right now. Because winter does something to us, doesn't it? It quiets the world. It slows the streets. It invites us inward not to hide, but to heal. And this is why the Elegant at Home Winter Edition matters so deeply. It's not about aesthetics. It's not about looking put together for Instagram. It's not even about the outfits, even though we love them. It's about creating a home atmosphere that nourishes you, a presence that feels feminine even when no one is watching, a winter rhythm that makes you feel safe, warm, grounded, and alive again. This winter, I want your home to feel like a sanctuary. I want your mornings to feel gentle. I want your evenings to feel cinematic. I want your self-care to feel sacred, not rushed. And I want you to remember something. The woman you become at home is the woman the world meets later. When you glow in private, you shine in public. When you soften in silence, you rise in strength. When you care for yourself at home, your elegance becomes effortless everywhere else. So today, as we step into this winter edition together, I want you to take this as your sign. To slow down, to romanticize your space, to become intentional with your beauty, to treat your home like it's the backdrop to a soft, elegant life. This is your vanilla winter arc, warm, creamy, feminine, gentle, but also powerful, structured, and quietly luxurious. Now let's begin with the very first transformation. Part 2, bringing elegance into your winter home life. Hosting, dressing, rituals, family moments. My love, one thing I've learned is this. Elegance is not only an outfit. Elegance is the atmosphere you create around you. At home, with your children, in the way you move through your everyday winter moments. Especially now, in this soft season where the world slows down and life becomes a little colder outside. Your home becomes the first place where elegance is born. So let's talk about embodying your winter lady energy at home. Quietly luxurious, feminine, warm, and deeply nurturing. 1. Dress for the woman your home deserves. You know how different you feel when you put on a soft winter knit, a matching loungewear set, a silk robe, a cozy cashmere cardigan, or even a beautiful pair of pearl earrings at home. It's not superficial. It is identity setting. When you dress elegantly at home, your behavior follows your clothing. You move softer, you speak gentler, you naturally elevate the energy in your space, and your family feels it too. This winter, choose home outfits that whisper calm, softness, womanhood, quiet luxury. Even if you're busy, even if you're tired, you deserve to feel beautiful inside your own home first. I'll link some beautiful winter loungewear pieces below, Amazon, and some luxury options too, my love. 2. Hosting with softness, feminine winter gatherings. We are not talking about big events. Elegance lives in the smallest moments. Host in ways that feel intimate, warm, slow, thoughtful. Here are simple winter hosting rituals that elevate your entire home. A warm drink station. Set up a small tray with tea, cinnamon sticks, honey, winter spices, a little ritual for your family. Soft classical or jazz music in the background. Chopin, Debussy, instrumental Christmas jazz. Candle clusters. You know this already, my love. Candlelight transforms the atmosphere instantly. Vanilla, amber, sandalwood. Soft, feminine winter scents. A winter dessert you make once a week. Banana bread, cinnamon apples, a simple French tart. Elegance is consistency, not complexity. Small touches of etiquette. Offering your guests a warm drink. Welcoming them with softness. Speaking slowly. Giving people your full presence. Etiquette is not old-fashioned. It is feminine intention. 3. Elegant winter eating. Nourish your feminine energy. Winter elegance is also about how you nourish yourself. This doesn't mean dieting or restricting. It means choosing foods that support your glow, your nervous system, your hormones, your femininity. Think warm soups, teas, greens, winter spices, light, calming meals in the evenings. And yes, even the way you plate your food is elegance. Use a beautiful bowl, add a garnish, light a candle next to your meal. You are telling your nervous system, I matter. My life is worth slowing down for. 4. Quiet luxury evenings, the feminine reset. My love, your evenings are your power. There is nothing more elegant than a woman who knows how to end her day with order, beauty, calm, intention. Your winter feminine reset can look like a hot bath with oils and candles. Luxury doesn't need a price tag, but I'll link some beautiful options. Writing in your evening journal. Not about tasks, but about who you are becoming, the woman you want to be in 2026. What God is teaching you in this season? A slow skincare ritual. Winter is the season of self-nourishment. Warm your products in your hands. Massage your face with intention. Move slowly. A 15-minute home tidy. Elegance is found in clarity. Your home doesn't need perfection, but it does need peace. 5. Teaching your children elegance through presence. My love, the most elegant thing you can give your children is your calm presence. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be wealthy. You don't need to be soft every moment, but you can sit with them for 10 minutes without your phone. Let them help you decorate the home. Serve hot chocolate with love. Create tiny winter traditions. Tell them, Mama is rebuilding herself, and God is helping me. You are showing them what femininity looks like when it is healed, stable, present, and intentional. My love, one thing I've learned is this. Elegance is not something you become outside your home. Elegance is who you are inside your home first, because the atmosphere you create behind closed doors, the softness, the warmth, the order, the beauty, is what shapes the woman you bring into the world. And winter, especially winter, is the most powerful season for this. Winter is the season of inward transformation, of tending to your soul, your space, your habits, your home, before the world sees the results in spring. So tonight, let me give you a few rituals to elevate your home, your family moments, and your feminine heart in the most elegant, quiet luxury way, looking like someone who values herself. 7. Create a winter sanctuary corner. You only need one corner, one chair, one blanket, one soft lamp, one notebook or book. This becomes your quiet luxury winter refuge, where you pray, journal, read, sip warm tea, reset your nervous system, hear your own thoughts. Your life gets softer when you give yourself a place to land. 8. Winter etiquette at home. Softness as a lifestyle. Etiquette is not about forks and rules. It's about how your presence feels. This winter, practice speaking slower, walking gracefully even when you're alone, keeping your home quiet and peaceful, pausing before reacting to your kids, offering warmth when the world feels cold. Elegance is emotional discipline wrapped in softness. Your home becomes a sanctuary when you become the peace inside it. 9. Elegant seasonal touches at home. Not clutter, not huge decorations, just soft winter cues. A vase of winter greenery, a soft throw on the sofa, a bowl of clementines, amber or vanilla fragrance in the hallway, a classical Christmas playlist, warm lighting instead of harsh overhead lights. These details make your home feel intentional, and an intentional home shapes an intentional woman. 10. Moments of connection with your family. Your elegance should be felt by the people who love you most. This winter, give them warm hugs, slow conversations, a handwritten note in their lunchbox, a shared prayer before bed, a simple dessert made with love, a small winter ritual you do together each week. Elegance is not about perfection. It is about presence. And presence is the greatest gift you can give your family. Part 4. Daily habits to glow. Softly all winter. 11. A winter self-care anchor. Choose one thing that signals to your body that you are safe. Your favorite perfume, your body oil, your silk robe, your warm shower ritual. Elegance lives in repetition. 12. Create a no negativity before noon rule. No arguments, no reacting, no scrolling chaos. Mornings shape your entire identity. 13. Be generous with warmth. In tone, in language, in how you greet others, in how you respond to conflict. The elegant woman does not lose her softness when life becomes cold. She becomes warmer. You are safe. 14. Quiet the mind. Read a page, pray, write down 3 things that made your day beautiful. Let your thoughts land softly instead of spiraling. 15. Set the tone for tomorrow. Prepare your outfit, clear your surfaces, place your water glass. Create a future you that wakes up supported, not overwhelmed. This is luxury. This is feminine discipline. This is how you walk into 2026 with peace, not panic. My beautiful sister, your winter arc is not about perfection. It is about returning to yourself, quietly, gently, intentionally. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not broken. You are simply stepping into a new season, a softer one, a more elegant one, the one God has been preparing your heart for. If this video spoke to your soul today, then I want you to know something tender. The Return to Elegance Masterclass opens on December 13th. It is the deepest, most transformative work I have ever created. If you are tired of survival mode, if you want to rebuild your elegance, if you long to feel feminine, centered, disciplined, radiant, grounded, if you want 2026 to feel different, then join the waitlist, my love. The link is in the description. Just enter your email at the top of my website, and you'll receive your private invitation first. And before you go, comment below, I am ready for my winter arc. Declare it softly, boldly, as the woman you are becoming. I love you deeply. I'm praying for your transformation, and I will see you in the next video, my elegant sister.